Hey, what's up guys? It's Chris with Advisor Evolved. Hope you're crushing it today. This is the first video in a series of videos that I'm going to be creating over the next several months about SEO, search engine optimization. We get questions on a daily basis about SEO, so I wanted to make sure I'm pushing out some educational content to help you guys better understand how Google search works, how to optimize for search engines, and how to drive revenue through SEO, content, video, etc. In the first video, I want to talk about a foundational component to SEO, which is search intent. Everyone has a different reason for typing something into Google. The four main reasons, or the four types of search intent, are very important to understand because depending on what someone searches for in Google, Google will return a completely different set of answers in the search. There's also been some significant changes in the way that Google search is working over the last 12 to 24 months with the introduction to what's called Google Gemini, which is Google's AI language. This is a response to ChatGPT and Perplexity and Claude, some of these other AI tools, but Google is now actually taking traffic from millions of websites on the internet because they're answering the searcher's question in the actual search engine results without the user having to click through to a website like they traditionally would to get those answers. So in this first video, I want to just go through the four main types of search intent. The first one is going to be informational. And this is really when someone is trying to get an answer to a question like, how does water backup insurance work? What is a deductible? What is co-insurance? What is replacement cost, right? So informational search intent answers questions like that. A lot of you may have blogs on your site, or maybe you've worked on content through the years to answer some of these informational queries. And I'll be going into a little bit more detail about this later, but that's the first and main type of search query that people are putting into Google. The second is what's called navigational. Navigational is really when someone is already familiar with a brand or a business and they're just trying to go directly to that website, right? So they would type in bestbuy.com or espn.com or ESPN or Allstate, State Farm, whatever. They're trying to go directly to that website and they already know in their head where they want to go. That's called a navigational search. The third is commercial, or what we would call basically, purchase intent. So people are looking for different types of products and services, best gaming computer, best, hair dryer, best, dishwasher, right? People are looking for probably reviews and different types of information about different products or services. And the final type of search intent is what we would call transactional. And this is really when someone is ready to make a purchase and they're literally putting the word buy in their search query. So they would put like buy car insurance in Pennsylvania, buy homeowners insurance in Michigan, right? So it's important to understand those four different types of search intent because, again, Google changes what you see in the search results. We're going to cover this in another video, but I wanted to push out a quick video as an introductory video to the series and really just give you some more background information on the four different types of search intent and how they dictate what Google shows you in a search result. So stay tuned for the next video. This is going to be an awesome series. We're going to have a lot of different videos and some guest appearances from some really awesome and smart people in the SEO space. So stay tuned for the next video. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask here in the group. Take care, guys.